All right, welcome to this live session. I believe you can see my screen and hear my voice loud and clear at your end. Without any waste of time, let's quickly conduct this market analysis. Okay, if you are joining in for the very first time, as usual, please click on your sorry about this. Let me just set this up. Click on your settings tab right here and ensure that the video quality is set to the 480 pixel so you can get a better stream quality at your end. Okay. All right, let's look into the Forex Factory economical calendar once more for tomorrow, being Tuesday, the 28th of November 2017. We are expecting bank stress test result from England. All right, all sterling pounds crosses will be affected. This is the reason why I am closing most of my sterling pounds trades, because this news announcement tend to spike the market in heavy volume, and I am not ready to gamble with that. Okay, for some of those trades that are still running, well, I am going to take protective measures on them. Okay. All right, well, plenty of speeches for tomorrow. The Bank of England Governor Carney will be speaking. We have Bank of Canada, Governor Pelosi will also be speaking. We have this Reserve Bank of New Zealand Financial Stability report. Then the Treasury Secretary Munchin also will be speaking tomorrow. So much of speeches and reports. Anyway, let's look into the charts and see what's going on. The euro against the American dollar. This is the first pair for this review. As you can see, price has now made that pullback. Okay, price has made that pullback that we did analyze earlier on today. We got that breakout of this level of resistance. That's the daily line. Okay, then we are now seeing the first red candle close as a pullback, which is for today. Let's actually look into the daily time frame. All right, this is the daily time frame. Remember what we talked about, that we want to see some pullbacks to this area right here. That is where we'll be looking for a continuation move. So today's done. That's the first red candle. Well, let's see, maybe we will find another red candle by tomorrow to the downside, possibly something like that, before we are going to be seeing any of those reversals formation somewhere in here for a possible push to the upside. Okay, so that is what we are expecting. The first red candle has closed, is shaped up properly today, so that is good. We want to see another pullback to that particular area, anywhere around in here. Okay, anywhere around in here is fine. That is where we are anticipating price bounce off for another push to the upside. All right, well, we didn't take any trade here, even though we were anticipating that a pullback. The 1 hour trend line that was broken, that we should be looking for a trend collapse. The pullback is not happened yet, and we don't really have enough room between here and this level of support. But at any rate, let's see what the pullback will look like. Somewhere around in here should bounce price back down in the 1 hour time frame. Okay. All right, ultimately we are following this pair, the euro against the American dollar, in the daily time frame. That is where we are actually following this pair to find our second entry for a bounce to the upside. All right, let's move into our other pairs and see what price has been doing.